Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if personal hotspot disappear from your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just go to the settings, just open the settings, and in the settings you need to first thing just turn on mobile data. So just now go back, and here you can see that also personal hotspot become active, so you can also just choose this option and just check here, just choose allow other to join, so it means that you turn on your personal hotspot and now it is working. So if it doesn't help you, you can also try to go to the general. In the general, just scroll down. So here you will see shutdown, so just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So if it doesn't help you too, you can also try another way. So just go to the general again, just find here reset, just open reset, and here you will see reset network settings. So just tap on this option and just submit resetting network settings. And if you still have this issue, so just might force restart on your phone. So it depends on model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you in example of iPhone X, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. So iPhone with Face ID. So if you have another model of iPhone, just find in Google what combination of buttons you need to press to make force restart. So on these models you just need to tap on high volume buttons and a low volume button and just keep and hold power button until you will see here a black screen, and after just release your finger from power button and you need to see Apple logo. So when you will see Apple logo, it means that you successfully made force restart. So I hope that it will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.